What's going on, people? Yeah. So it's been raining out here. You can look and you can see. Yeah. I mean, it's been raining out here. Probably may not rain late this evening. Hopefully it doesn't. It stay clear like it is. I mean, this rain came down, partner. Yeah. Y'all can see and look and see that it's been raining. I thought I saw them birds flying back there. I thought it was. One time I saw some deers back there. I don't even mess with that type of stuff though. I just saw them back there. My even my nephew, he said that he saw them one time. Yep. But anyway, yeah, cause it's, you know what I'm saying. They like the woods and stuff. But man, you can tell it's been pouring down out here, and this grass, it was just cut like last week. Look at all the water, man, right there. Yeah. Yes, indeed. So I guess I'm gonna get on from out here, and I'm gonna see y'all later. We'll talk later. It's been raining hard out here. That's what I named the video. Trying to turn it off.